Hey, good morning. Happy Thursday. Well, we ordered a bunch of stuff for for AC. Put AC in this car. Comes with a kit, and I thought, this is their little print they send you, and I thought, all right, cool. Don't have to design it. I just use their. Yeah, no, no, no. Didn't work out that way. Um, One thing, I'm using a bulkhead, and I don't know. I mean, that could work, I guess, on a lot of applications, but it won't work on this. And like I said, I like using the bulkheads on there. It's cleaner, and I just like it better. But anyway, we're getting there. There's the dryer, which they sent this deal here, which did not fit against the firewall. It was too long this way, so it left this loose. So I put these two tabs in here to hold here. There's a million ways to do it. That may not be the right way, but for this project, that's what I'm doing. We got a new compressor for Ford. I just got the fittings for it off the old compressor. I got this hose run here, and it'll go into the bulkhead. I'm just leaving them long. So we're getting there. We have to get some more fittings, because they don't give you fittings for the bulkhead. So and I had to go ahead and draw out another blueprint, because I couldn't. This was I'm a little dyslexic, so this was just, it was throwing me. It was throwing me. So I went ahead and drew it so I can get it straight in my backwards head. So we're making progress on that, moving towards AC. And this is another thing too. And these are things for people, if you're thinking about building a car and you think you're going to buy something and it's just going to fit, just like that AC, you can forget about it. Here's the straps that O'Reilly says this is for this frame, for this gas tank, and this is all they have. Okay, and this is what they sent. Here you got one. Now this thing has to bolt in up there. So this is straight, as you can see. It doesn't fit in any way, shape, or form. And then you've got one. I think you can back up. See how much longer one is than the other? And both of them are too short. I mean, it's not like they missed it by a ½ inch or something. They don't fit at all. They're not for this at all. But they say, yep, that's all we offer. It says it's for that tank. Oh, and yeah, on this, we're having trouble. The vent, they send you this, but they don't send you the rubber that goes around this. And they're having trouble finding that. These are the things that I don't care what you're building. This is what you will run into. And then it's like that the whole way through. So if you're gonna build a car, if you don't have patience, you better go buy some patience, because you're gonna need it. And you better have some tools, and you better know how to do some stuff, because there is no just buying something and bolting it in. There might be some stuff out there that works. I know I see on the hot rod TV shows all the time. I see them, they'll buy a kit for something, whether lowering, raising, whatever, and they say it bolts right up. I have a hard time believing it, but Anyway, so that's what we're doing today. I'll check back in with you later.